Hi everyone, this is the unboxing video of Eureka AirSpeed ultra lightweight powerful compact vacuum. This one I bought from Walmart under $50 and it got a free delivery as well. So this has like 4.3 star, 11,000 reviews overall across all the platforms. This has a three onboard tools include dusting brush, crevice tool and detachable handle. As you can see, it's easy to clean and washable filter, and it's under LBS. It's very lightweight, 1 year limited warranty. Let's unbox it without further ado. User manual, some attachments. Okay. Comes with a nice box. Yeah, that's it. Looks pretty small. Anything in the box? No. Yeah, this is how it looks like after assembly. It took only 30 seconds to assemble. It's really easy. This is vacuum pipe. Perfect, clean. Let's do some work. Yeah. This is the clean box. Easy to clean, just a one click. You have to press, then it will open. And at the bottom, let's see how it looks like at the bottom. These are the brushes for carpet cleaning. Yeah, it's really lightweight. And wheels, carpet brush. Wire, it's okay. It's not long enough, but yeah, it's okay. Let me put it back. One click. Let's continue with the demo. I plugged in. So first we have to press this, and then there is a start button out here at the bottom. Here. As you can see, this is really powerful motor, and within a 2 minutes of vacuum it collected many dust, much of the dust. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it's very powerful. I like it. It's really easy to clean as well. It's pretty easy to clean, so just need to switch out here. Okay. I'll click on it and it will open. That's it. Yeah, let's do some cleaning on sofa. Okay. Suction is good. Suction is really, really good. I like it. As you can see, dust out here. Let's see. Gone. Perfect. Here. It's really good. Like it. Worked very well. Let's try the last attachment. Awesome. I tried all three attachments. Overall, the vacuum is really good at this price point, and I would do recommend. Just go for it, and it comes with a 1 year limited warranty, so it's really good. I tried it, and suction is really powerful. It's really lightweight, easy to use, easy to clean. Everything is perfect at this price point. So get it from Walmart. It's a really good price, and it can deliver in within 1 day. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel for interesting videos. Bye.